Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are learning Model Context Protocol, that is MCP. So let's start our video. Model Context Protocol. Let's imagine we are using a powerful AI model which can answer our complicated prompts. But if we ask, can you check my recent emails and summarize them? Then AI replies as, I don't have any access to your emails. In this scenario, we feel AI are limited. Hence, in order to connect AI to real data, tools or systems, the role of Model Context Protocol or MCP comes in. Now, let's understand what actually is MCP. What is MCP? MCP is introduced by Anthropic in November 2024. Model Context Protocol or MCP is an open source standard for AI models such as chatbots, agents or IDE assistants to interact with external services such as data sources, tools and applications. Hence, in simple terms, we can say MCP acts as an universal connector which allows AI models to connect with the outside world. The problem MCP solves. Now, let's clearly understand the situations without MCP first. Therefore, without MCP, it relies only on the training data. It only responds based on the prompts. AI cannot access external system. It cannot interact with tools and perform appropriate tasks. For example, if we ask, analyze our company's profit margin of this month, a normal AI model cannot perform this because it does not have access to our company's internal data. But with the use of MCP, AI connects to our database. AI can read actual files. It can query databases. And it can analyze it. And it also can call APIs. So MCP solved these problems and it transformed passive AI to an active AI model. For example, agents can get access to our personal calendars and can act as a personal AI assistants. Components of MCP. The MCP components work together to help LLMs and external systems to interact easily. MCP host. The MCP hosts are the applications such as cloud desktop or IDEs the user interacts with. MCP client. MCP client is the interface within the MCP host which helps LLM communicates with the MCP servers. MCP server. MCP server is the external service that provides specific data, context, tools and resources. It handles communications, requests and manages tool interactions. In this way, all these components create a complete system for the smart AI interaction. MCP versus RAG versus fine-tuning. Let's understand the difference between these three terms. MCP. It focuses on the tool interactions. The purpose of MCP is to enable different actions, real-time access, and provide capabilities. RAG. RAG focuses on the information retrieval. The purpose of RAG is to provide relevant documents and provide knowledge. Fine-tuning. Fine-tuning focuses on model training. The purpose of fine-tuning is to improve behavior, accuracy, and intelligence. Hence, these are the differences between MCP, RAG, and fine-tuning. Use cases of MCP. MCP enables smart applications such as AI assistant accessing personal documents, building advanced integration systems, AI agents interacting with multiple tools, real-time analytics tool, smart coding assistants, and many other AI models. Challenges of MCP. MCP has different challenges such as privacy and security risk. AI accessing private and sensitive data must be controlled. Tool calls may slow down the responses. Reliability issues. As it has to connect with external systems, sometimes it may fail. Therefore, it may have the reliability issues. Okay, this is all for MCP. We understand that MCP connects AI with external tools and data. It enables real-time interaction. MCP solves the integration bottleneck. Hence, MCP is not just a tool, it is the foundation for autonomous AI systems. By standardizing the interface, we use the full potential of LLMs to interact with real world. That's all for today. I think this video is helpful to you all. If you liked the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.